In this video, I'll show you how to change your PayPal phone number if you can't log into your account. First, open the PayPal website or app and go to the login page. Instead of entering your details, tap Having Trouble Logging In or Forgot Password. This is where you start account recovery when you don't have access to your phone number. Enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. PayPal will then offer different ways to confirm it's really you. If you still have access to your old number, you can receive a code there and log in normally. If you no longer have that number, try another way or similar options. Look for verification by email, security questions, or other information PayPal asks, and follow the prompts until you successfully reset your password and sign in. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then Phone Numbers. Here you can add a new phone, confirm it with a code, and remove the old one. If recovery doesn't work, contact PayPal support and be ready to provide ID. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.